Hey all, and welcome back to my messy workbench. We haven't been here in a while. It's been quite a lot of excitement around the road legal mini electric car, super sport, supercar, XXL, XL, YSA 021. Just, well, that video did amazing and I'm completely shocked, and thank you for everybody who watched it. Today we're going to be building a subwoofer for it. Well, I say we're going to be building, we're actually going to be reviewing the Tang Band W3-1876S miniature 3-inch subwoofer. I've already set it up and played it, as you probably saw just from the clip, but it's brilliant. I was blown away by it. I need a mini subwoofer to go in the car. I love these Pioneer TSG speakers. They're fantastic. It's just missing that little bit of bass. Now this little mini amplifier board here, this is something I got off eBay. I put a link in the description. It's a 2.1 Class D digital amplifier. It's absolutely fantastic. I was completely shocked by the quality of it. And obviously I've got my Pioneer amplifier that I'm going to be using to power this speaker. So first of all, this little Tang Band speaker, it's all rubber. This feels incredibly well built. The plastic is really thick and sturdy on it. It's good movement in it. The sound quality is brilliant, as you're going to hear a bit more in a little bit. It needs a tiny box to go in. My box is actually a bit too bigger. Just I'm patting it just here. It's not actually a camera shot. Look, I built it just here. I built this box. I am not a woodwork person, okay? But this was fun building. I had some help done building the wood, and I'm going to credit the guy down in the bottom. It's from this, oddly enough, a chair making factory in High Wycombe. Fantastic guy there. He really knows his woodwork and everything. Pop down, see him. Pop down, see the old chairs there as well. They're absolutely brilliant. So it's not an advert. I did actually pay him to build this for me. Well, no, he didn't build it for me. He cut the wood up and I paid him for that. But I want to give him a shout out because I loved the little business there, and I'm going to be taking the children there shortly. So anyway, back to this subwoofer. It's brilliant. It's deep. I was recommended this, oddly enough, and I was shocked at the quality of it. So let's hook it all up. We've hooked up our Pioneer speakers already. They're plugged into stereo outputs. This is plugged into the bass output. We've run a wire in. We've drilled holes. Let's connect it up and have a little listen, shall we? Because that's pretty much what you're all here for, is to listen to it and to see what other crazy stuff I'm probably up to as well. So let's shimmy it into place, because this hole is a little bit tight. Line up our screw holes. Might fast forward past this part. Don't know. Let's see. If you hear me talking, it's because I've not fast forwarded past it. One. So, no, yes. So, going back to the road legal ride on car. The feedback on that has been absolutely amazing. I've been blown away by it. Thank you all. Thank you for your kind comments and everything. It's fantastic to drive. There's a few things I need to talk about on that car, really, because I've had a lot of questions about it and how it's possible. It's not a simple task, okay? There are certain things like you have to have hazard lights, as I showed in the video, indicators, a horn, your lights have to be at a minimum height, a maximum height, a certain width apart, your brakes have to be at a certain efficiency. Depending on the certification you go for, your power needs to be at a certain limit, your batteries need to be fixed in a way, you need to get it weighed. I can't begin to tell you how much work is in it, and I am going to shoot a video on all of it, I promise you, okay? But I haven't had much time. So, and I'm doing this now because this is fun. This is what I want to do. Shooting that video will be fun, and I promise you it will be coming. And I'm going to be helping out some friends of mine as well. A channel called Extreme Power Wheels. Go check him out. He's got a white car. You think my car's fast, you want to see his car. I'm not going to spoil anything, but trust me, it's going to be an amazing project when he's finished. Check it out. Wow. Right, let's listen to some music. Let's bring back that song I was listening to earlier on. Let's have it not quite as loud now. But you can hear my Bluetooth's disconnected. Oh, I've not plugged it in, have I? Let's plug it in, shall we? So I moved everything out of the way. A bit of filming. Let's plug in. This amplifier speaks in Chinese, so get ready.
等待连接，蓝牙连接成功。
Other than that, I do not speak Chinese. If you speak Chinese, drop a comment down below. Tell me what he said. In fact, whilst dropping a comment, why not hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. Let's get back to this song. Here's our little subwoofer. We've heard these TSGs before. We're not here to listen to them. We want to listen to this. Look at the movement on that thing. That is just, let's bring a light over. Let's get that camera picking up a bit more, shall we? Look at that. That's hardly turned up. Look, there's even a little bit of dust and they're flicking about. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. But I cleaned this off a bit better. Quite clearly I didn't. Wow, look at it go. Guys, right, so my audio, the soundtrack I've got that from, some Audio Heaven, no copyright music. Fantastic channel on YouTube. Go check them out. Link down below. Guys, as I said earlier on, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. There's going to be more videos coming, especially with that road legal car. This subwoofer's got to get installed now. Let's go watch it. Well, we'll watch that in another video, actually. Let's leave this as a review of this so you could hear the sound quality of it, okay? Guys, have a good one. Any questions, as always, drop me a comment down below. Let me know. I'll help you out where I can. Cheers all. Bye.